Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a zoom out or zoom in button in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now select Tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this prepare from option. Select here. Now select Start and I will save it. Desktop before creating button. And here you will find this OK button. Select here and go to your zoom button area. Now double click on this button and open properties dialog box. Click general option. You can change box name and also you can add tool depend appearance option. You can change border color, borderline thickness, medium, and fill color choose white and font size choose auto. You can also change text color, font style. Now select option. I'll type your name, zoom button and select action and select here execute a menu item, add and scroll down. Here we will find this zoom in and zoom out button. I will choose zoom in. Select OK. Now select close and preview. Now click this button and see this file already zooming. And see this again. Also you can add zoom out button. Same one. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.